Hello, lovers. How the hell are you? It's been a hot minute. Today's an unboxing, and before I even get started, sweet Lord, is anyone else feeling the energies? It's so insane. And of course, I didn't do a soul message March, April, and I haven't done one for May. I may end up doing little updates here and there. But I want you to know before I even get started with any of this stuff, if you are feeling like you don't know up from down and you don't know, like whole, almost identity crisis, you're not alone. It's up, down, sideways. It's like tons of new information is coming in. I want to, like, I have the excitement and the desire to announce things and talk about what's going on and how much is shifting for me and all of it, but I am slowing my roll to not announce things too early because we are in Taurus season and it's all about the foundation and the roots and cleaning the floorboards and getting organized and getting your finances in order and just slowing everything down so that we're not like all in the mind, right? Speaking of which, so my order this month is pretty, it was from the end of April. Is pretty small, but I ordered a points order and then I also got a ton of free gifts for last month, so it's kind of cool. One of the simple things I got is Thieves Dental Floss. I friggin' love this stuff. You know, I love all things Thieves, and I love the toothpaste and the mouthwash. I will use that forever. They even have dental floss if you didn't know. It comes in a single or in a 3-pack, and I always get it in the 3-pack because you go through it. Why not? I don't need just one. And then I don't have to order it very often. The next thing that I got is the Loyalty Rewards Ningxia bundle. It's the cheapest way to get it if you're a Loyalty Rewards member, and if you're not, why not? Because it is literally frequent flyer miles for oils and all things Young Living, and you get all these free things. You'll see I ordered like $180 worth of stuff for free. So, Ningxia, if you don't know, the Loyalty Rewards Kit comes with 1 box of these, 30 of the individual packs, so you can travel with them and they're pre-measured. So one of those a day. I drink this every day. In fact, I meant to get my drink ready for me while I was here and I forgot it. But I do 2 ounces of Ningxia, 3 dropper fills of mineral essence, great for, I think there's calcium and magnesium in it, but it's great for mineral deficiency. And then I do a squirt of the electrolytes, the Vitality Drops, and I like the bergamot, bergamot grapefruit. That's my favorite. So I get the 3-pack of that. Usually I'm going to be getting that next month because I'm almost out. And then sometimes I put a little kombucha in it, sparkling water, and the mailman agrees. And but something I just added, I will share about it when I get to that part of my order. I'll just tell you now. One of the free things that I got this month is Sulfurzyme. This stuff is for hair, skin, nails, joints. It's MSM, and I forget what it stands for. But look it up. You can read all about it. It's fantastic. But I've always gotten the capsules. And my daughter's been doing the same drink every day, and she really likes it and feels a lot better with it. So I wanted her to take the Sulfurzyme, but capsules are not her favorite thing. So I thought, well, she's doing the drink already. If I do powder, it makes it way easier. So I opened this already, and I tried it the last couple days. I am blown away because I would think putting the powder in that drink that it would be really hard to mix, and it dissolves super easy. I put it in the bottom. Even when I put it on the top one day, it mixed right in. But if you put it on the bottom and put the Ningxia in and then just start dropping everything else in, it just kind of mixed itself. I stirred it a little bit, but otherwise it was great. So I digress. What I want to stay on point with is the Ningxia. So you get the 30-pack, but you also get 4 bottles. And so it ends up being the cheapest per ounce. Believe me, I've priced all of them out, so trust me. The second one is I think it's called the bundle, and it's a 30-pack, 2 bottles, and it comes with a pack of nitros, which are really nice. They're like a little bit of a boost, and it's got a little bit of caffeine in it, but it's natural caffeine, so it doesn't give you the jitters. I call it like a trucker's paradise because it's awesome for road trips. when you need a little boost. But here's the thing about Ningxia. This is what I wanted to announce. I am going to do, if you have not heard about this, Young Living created a pack for this because there was a bunch of brand partners out in the Young Living world, and they were doing their own 14-day challenge with Ningxia. And they were having such wild success and loved it that Young Living decided to create a reset kit for Ningxia that is for the 14 days. And I am going to order it in my May order. But I got this ahead of time, the 4 bottles in the box, because I knew I was going to blow through it. And I also was teetering on the edge of whether I was going to do the challenge myself. So they started doing this in January, and they have now created a Facebook group that you can join so you can get all the support with anyone that's doing it. Ask questions, get feedback, all of that kind of stuff. And basically what it is it's kind of like a cleanse, but it's easier. So it's a reset. And so you do, I forget the exact protocol, but every day the box comes and it shows you exactly what to do. How much Ningxia to drink the first 3 days, or like heavier. I think you drink like 6 packs of it or something the first 3 days. And then you go down to like 2 or 3 packs a day, I think, for the rest of the time. You drink half of your body weight in ounces in water. You move 30 minutes a day, whatever it is, yoga, walking, whatever you want to do. And then the other thing is just focus on trying to focus on a whole food diet. Like, that's really it. There's not that much of a change. I've seen tons of people reporting weight loss, better sleep, less anxiety, all kinds of stuff. And I drink it every day anyway. And I was like, well, I already drink it every day. Like, how much different could it be? But I've seen so many people reporting crazy things that I'm like, I just want to try it. So I don't really expect weight loss or anything crazy, but, we'll just see. So Young Living has created this Facebook, and they're running this challenge now the second Monday of every month. So this has been going on, I think, since January, and I just haven't done it. So I'm going to do it May 13th, I think, next Monday is when they're going to start it. And then you can order the kit anytime, the reset kit, and do it at your own leisure. You don't have to do it when the company's doing it, but I just decided to do that because I thought it would be more fun, and I have a couple people doing it with me, so I thought that would be fantastic. So the only thing I ordered and paid for April was the Ningxia kit and the dental floss, and that's it. And everything else in here was a freebie. And if you're not a loyalty rewards member, you still get some freebies, but there's just more freebies if you're a young loyalty rewards member. Okay, this is the best cleaner of all time. If you want to ditch anything out of your house, if you want to get the yucky toxic cleansers out of your home, you can do it with this one product. I mean, I would also suggest getting the fruit and veggie wash and also the laundry soap, but if you want to just get started and get that nasty shit out of your house, this one thing, one capful in a 16-ounce spray bottle of water is a cleanser. You can make 60 spray bottles out of this one thing. If I'm going to scrub the tub, I just pour a little bit of this straight in, baking soda, scrub it around. It's amazing. And you can take a bath immediately after and not feel like, oh, I'm going to get, toxins on me. So that was free. I think this is like $30-something normally. And I'm excited because now I can have one upstairs and one downstairs. Because it's nice to have it in 2 places. Oh, I don't remember. I guess Pine was one of the freebies for April. I didn't remember what was free. Let's see what else. I opened this and was like, I didn't even remember about the freebies, and I was just expecting my Ningxia. Okay, and then also lemon. Lemon is fantastic to add in here. Lemon cuts grease. It's kind of like a natural Goo Gone, and it smells amazing for the kitchen too. You could drip it right on the top of your stove to get like the extra grease and crap off your stove. But I add it to my Thieves Cleaner spray. So I usually put like 10 drops or something in my spray bottle. And then, what else was I going to say about lemon? I mean, you can also take it internally, like 1 drop in your Ningxia drink or whatever. Then you get the benefits of lemon water without the needing to have a lemon in the house anyways. But you can also, oh, this is what I was going to say, is I make my own dish soap now. It's thebomb.com. Dr. Bronner's Salsuds, half, you know, 1:1 water and Salsuds, 10 drops of lemon oil, and a little splash of white vinegar. It's amazing. And it works well and it smells delicious. Let's see if there's anything else. No, just the 4 bottles. So yeah, so I got these 2 oils and I got this for free just for ordering the Ningxia and the dental floss. Then I did a points order where I got Sulfurzyme. Ooh, I'm really excited to smell this. I normally get, this is the relaxation massage oil. I normally get the Cellulite Magic, aka Cellulite Magic, but they can't say that word. It's amazing. It smells like Hawaii in a bottle. But I heard that this one was awesome. And it's also a great oil for the bedroom. And you can just use your imagination. It's got peppermint in it. Ooh, yum. It's got peppermint in it, so it's a little tingly, a little spicy. Oh, that's delicious. And then I also, so I'll use their massage oil for moisturizer out of the shower. I will also use it for salt scrub. You can make your own salt scrub. And just get an old, like, jam jar is what I have, but just get an old jar, fill it like 3/4 with salt. I just got a huge bag of table salt from Costco. And then you pour, like, you know, just go 3/4 with salt and then fill the rest up with this. And you can just pour it on top, wait for it to go down. If it's not enough, add more. If it's too much, it'll just collect at the bottom and you can add more salt and keep going. It's amazing. So there's that. And then I got Amino Wise. This stuff is fabulous for post-exercise. Sometimes I'll put it in my Ningxia drink if I'm just, if I haven't had it yet that day. And it has enough of a taste on its own that you don't need to add it. Whereas like the Sulfurzyme doesn't really have a taste. So it's not something I would want to drink on its own. But Amino Wise is yummy. It's delicious and you don't need to add it with anything. But it's great for muscle recovery. What does it say? Yeah, helps with muscle recovery and enhances, I don't know. I can't read it without my glasses. Performance. That's what I figured, but I didn't want to guess. So this is great for like muscle cramps. If you exercise and you get dehydrated and then you start getting toe cramps and leg cramps, it's great for that. And then this was my last thing that I got for free. This was all with points. And this is Life9 probiotics. I friggin' love this stuff. I've tried a lot of probiotics and I think I got this for free in one of the 1 month that it was free in the loyalty rewards. And I take it at night. I don't know what it actually says. I take one at night. Yeah, it does say at night. Following a meal or as needed. So I just take one at night before I go to bed. And I'm telling you what, like digestion, happy tummy in the morning, morning constitution, like the whole thing is just better enhanced with this. And I've been out of it and I'm like, ooh, I notice. So it just like without it, I feel a little bit more bloated, not happiness. So I really wanted to get that again. And I even still have like 150, like maybe 200 points still, but I didn't want to use them all at one time. So I figured I'd wait. I'm almost out of CBD Beauty Boost, and that's like $98, and I've never paid for one yet because I always just get it with points. Yeah, so I got all 4 of these guys for free. That's the bonus about loyalty rewards. That's the big thing, because you earn up to, once it goes 10% from the first 3 months, and then it goes to 20%, I think, from 4 months to 24 months. And then it goes up to 25 and it maxes out at 25. So I'm at 25. So I earn 25% back in points on anything that I order. You can't get better than that. Target doesn't do that. I don't know anybody else that does that. And I was talking to a friend the other day about this, and she was like, oh, wow, this is so cool, because once you're on loyalty rewards, it's like oh, well, okay, this month I need hand soap. Okay, this month I need laundry soap. Okay, this month I need shampoo. Like whatever it is, you're constantly needing something anyway. And you might as well get it at Young Living because then you know that it's non toxic. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to open the windows every time you clean your house and, feel like you're fumigating the place. It's fantastic. So I love it. Ask me any questions. I'm here to help. And the other part of my business is starting to make more sense. But let me just say, I feel like I'm taking it down to the studs and revisiting every part of it. But I'm still doing sessions, I'm still doing readings, I'm still practicing my astrology to start bringing some of that in because I really want to hone in on helping people with their purpose because that is what most people come to me for anyway. And when they come for a healing session, they're stuck about something. They're just in a dark night of the soul. They're blocked. They're backed up into a corner and they're like, I can't see out of this. And that's my favorite thing to help people with. And also, like, we got to get people living in their purpose and doing their thing so that we can make this world better because you're not here to hide. You are here to shine. You are here to give your gifts that came to you naturally. As my guides have said many times before, the thing that you are here to do is the thing that comes most natural to you. And we discount it because we think it has to be hard, because we're told you have to go to school, get a bunch of letters behind your name, because you have to work hard or the reward isn't, like, you didn't deserve it, and it's all bullshit. And also, I'm going to send a newsletter about this, but if you have feedback for me, if you have something that you see is a gift that I have that you think maybe I don't know about or that I'm not aware of, or if there's something that you're curious about my business, you want clarification, you don't know what it is that I do, if you want me to do something or offer something that I have not yet offered, please, for God's sake, tell me what it is, because that's exactly what I'm doing right now, is revisiting everything down to the bones. I want to bring group work back. I want to bring Women's Circle back. I want to have in-person things, all of that. But I also want to include my audience. I want to include my current customers and their feedback in it because you are the reason I'm doing it. So, if you got something to say, let me know what it is. Positive, of course. Supportive, please. The rest of it doesn't really have, it doesn't have any value, so I don't need it. All right. Love you, mean it. Have a wonderful month. I will be back shortly with my May order because I'm going to do it soon. And I will be starting the Ningxia 14-day challenge on Monday. So follow along. I'm not sure how much of it I will share. I'll probably dip in and out and just talk about my experience, but I kind of want to feel the whole 14 days and see what it's like. And then if it's amazing, I know one person that's done it 3 times and she's lost 13 pounds and she's doing it a 4th time next week. So she's doing really well with it. So I'm excited to learn about it. All right, I hope you're doing well and staying sane and getting the support that you need physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. We all need it. Do not hesitate to reach out if you need something. Now is not the time to suffer on your own. It's not a good look for any of us. And take care. I hope you're doing well, and let me know. We'll be in touch. I was going to say we'll be in touch, but I don't know. Will we? I'll be back here, whether you're listening or not. Okay, love you.